SIDU stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I do see a 20% decrease in price. That was just Friday. I'm more so like I'm just expecting it, like, or just looking at it, observing it from a weekly perspective, because that's we have a lot more data and just you can kind of tell where we are and whatnot. I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and as a result I've gotten thousands of web predictions. Specifically with SIDU, I'm not just gonna sell out on this like this is how it looks like I'm telling you that yes, I saw the price kind of going up like crazy, but it is yet to break with a full candle, weekly candle close. That's why I'm not just going to blindly follow the bullish trend, but more so even short if I see a proper double break shift. Now, since it's kind of in the middle, and middle is just no man's land, I'm just purely waiting. And that's approximately how SIDU looks like for me. So it's not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. See you.